Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a dynamic slicer. So in my previous video I've shown you that you can create a normal slicer from here. You could have the slicer out here and I could have my regions in it, and I could select a particular region and then only that region will be shown to me in the map visual that I have created here. But I don't want that. I want dynamic slicer. So what you do is you go to the app source and you import a visual right from here. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video on how to import a visual from app source. So I've already imported a visual. This is called the play access visual. You can get it on the app source. So you click on this and you have it right here. So now I want to see my regions. So I'll drag my regions into this. You can also click, and when I press play, see the magic happen. It automatically zooms into the 4 different regions. So now I have the option of changing this into a state. So I could have this by my states. So when I zoom in, it will go to each state. If you want that, we could have that as well. But this will take a lot of time because we have 50 states in the United States of America. So I'll pause this, just giving you an idea. And apart from this, you could do it by category as well, I think. One second, let me have a look. I don't think we can do it by category because no, we can't, because I haven't added category into my field. So what do I have here? I have my sales. Okay, one second. I'll put my segments here. Then we can do it by segments. Yeah. So now we can drag my segments here. Yeah. So now when I press play, yeah, it will show me all my segments, just my segments. So you can experiment with this. We have some filtering options available here. We have the colors option. I can change the colors. I have animation settings. I can set the speed to a particular time frame. I can have the loop on. I can have auto start on, and the other options are like the normal ones that you have for all visuals. So yeah, this is dynamic slicer. Helps in showing you the different areas, the different regions or the different states, whatever you want to put in, and then helps in also identifying a lot of key areas that you want to look at. So all in all, this helps in analyzing the data better, having a clearer picture, having a more definitive picture of the data that you have. Keep trying, keep learning. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.